Hey everyone, Ben here with some exciting news from Meta about their Ray-Ban smart glasses. Meta has just dropped a game-changing update for the Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses, extending the video recording limit from a mere 1 minute to a whopping 3 minutes. This update is part of software version 6.0, which is currently rolling out to all Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses users. Alongside this major upgrade, the update also brings support for Calm, Amazon Music, and more, as announced earlier in May. This improvement is a big deal for anyone who loves capturing moments on the go. Previously limited to vertical orientation and 60-second clips, the Ray-Ban Meta now offers much more flexibility for recording longer videos directly from your glasses. If you're as excited as I am about these changes, drop a comment below and let me know if you've received the update yet, and how you're finding the extended video recording feature. Stay tuned for more updates and reviews on all things tech right here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for notifications. Until next time, this is Ben signing off. Peace.